Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bristol Control Tax portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your default search engine, then search Bristol Control Tax Login. Then go to Manage your Council Tax Account Online or go to www.bristol.gov.uk. Once the page has been loaded up, scroll down and click on Sign in or Register for Online Account. Then again click Sign in here.
Login.
Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. Then click Sign in. Then you should be able to access Bristol Control Tax portal. If you have forgot your username, you can get help by clicking Forgotten your username. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgotten your password. And if you are new to Bristol Control, you can create an account by clicking here. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.